This isn't an AI tutorial. It's about how I replaced my mentor with AI. When I was in college, my best friend was way smarter than I was. Like, really smart. Like, she had a really high ACT score and was top of the class. Whenever I got stuck, I went to her. Throughout my engineering career, this friend got me 3 different jobs, including one of them with a Fortune 500 company. Fast forward to today, unfortunately, we don't work together anymore. But now AI fills the role of a source that's smarter than me. Not because it replaces a friendship or thinking, but because it helps me think faster and smarter. And today, I want to show you how to use AI the right way. Most creators don't struggle with AI because it's hard. They struggle because they don't know which AI feature to use for which job. They struggle because they hear words like prompts, master prompts, custom instructions, custom GPTs, and projects. And suddenly, it feels overwhelming. Believe me, I've been there. So let's simplify this. Here's the mindset shift. AI isn't one thing. It's a set of helpers. And each helper has a job. Just like my friend didn't help me the same way every time. Here is your simple ChatGPT cheat sheet. If you do it once, use a prompt. If you do it repeatedly, use a master prompt. If you want ChatGPT to act the same everywhere, like your tone or style, use custom instructions. If it spans weeks or months, use a project. And if you're guiding other people, use a custom GPT. Let's delve deeper into master prompts. Think of master prompts as requests you make again and again. Things like writing a script or generating video titles, creating thumbnail text, or give me 10 hooks. If you do something over and over again, you want a master prompt. This is like texting your best friend and saying, hey, how could I explain this concept simply? Master prompts give you quick answers, no setup, no commitment. Master prompts are fast and reusable. Our second item is custom instructions. If you've ever wanted ChatGPT to sound like you, you need to set up a custom instruction. Custom instructions are preferences. They tell AI things like, explain this simply, or I'm a visual learner, keep answers short, assume I'm a beginner, write with a friendly, respectful tone. This is like saying to a friend, hey, don't overcomplicate this. Just talk to me in a normal human voice. The cool thing about this is you only have to set it up once, and then it quietly functions in the background. This is an easy win, and here's an example of how I set it up. Our third item is projects. Projects are for things that take a long time, like your social media channel or building a course. Projects keep everything in one place, and they're fantastic because they have a memory. It's like telling AI that this whole conversation is about your channel and for it not to forget details. This is where AI stops feeling like a chatbot and feeling more like an assistant, or maybe a little bit like a friend. Now, custom GPTs, this is when you stop asking questions and start being guided. A custom GPT knows the steps, asks the right questions, and pushes you forward. It can keep you from getting stuck. This is the closest thing to having a friend again. It doesn't just answer, it helps you decide what to do next. That's why I decided to build my own, and I've provided a link in the description for you to access it for free. That way you can have guidance in creating your content strategy. It'll help you create things like a monetization strategy, creator playbook, launch roadmap. It will guide you step by step. Again, I've provided a link in the description. Now, there's a simple rule to help you remember this. One task, use a prompt. Repeated tasks, use a master prompt. Style preferences, use custom instructions. Long-term work, use projects. Step-by-step guidance, use custom GPTs. Now, unfortunately, some of these features do require a paid-for subscription. I highly recommend having a pro version of ChatGPT. As a content creator, you know how important it is to go fast. And ChatGPT Pro version will help you go faster, and frankly, it gives you better responses, which is very well worth it in and of itself. The good thing is you don't have to be smarter, you don't need to be more technical, and good heavens, you don't need to overthink. You just need the right AI helper for the job. And once you have that, everything gets easier.